Prashant Ayasali. I am studying 9th class in Sri Vivekananda Vidyavihar High School. I am going to explain about plant cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in Cork, which comes from the bark of the tree. The parts of plant cell are rough endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, nuclear envelope, plasma membrane, cell wall, mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, adjacent cell wall, cytoplasm, vacuole, lysosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is one of the type of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is mainly two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is look like rough under a microscope because it has particles called ribosomes. The rough endoplasmic reticulum main function is to manufacture of proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane is look like similar in plasma membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum always forms a network system. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This main function is to manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Plastids are two types: chloroplast and leucoplast. Chloroplasts are colored plastids and leucoplasts are colorless plastids. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. The dark colored dot present in the cell is called nucleus. The nucleus has double layered covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has chromosomes which are visible like rod-shaped structures. These chromosomes are helped to carry and receive the message from parents to offspring or one generation to other generation. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus first discovered by Camillo Golgi. Nuclear envelope. It is one of the type of plant cell. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, also known as cell membrane. The plasma membrane allows entry and exit of the cell some material like carbon dioxide and oxygen in and out of the cell. By the process is called osmosis. Cell wall. The cell wall only present in plant cell. The cell wall is made from cellulose. The cellulose is only present in grass and etc. The cellulose they cannot digest easily. It digests only ruminating animals because they have 4 chambers and oomosome. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouses of the cell or energy currency. Mitochondria, its main function is to storage of energy in the form of ATP. ATP full form adenosine triphosphate. The mitochondria also doing main function is cellular respiration. The mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. Mitochondria have 2 pores. Those are inner pore and outer pore. The inner pore has look like rough are composed of crystalline. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is one of the type of endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes. It is present in both animal cell and plant cell. Adjacent cell wall. It is only present in plant cell. Cytoplasm. It is a fluid-like material. It is the living substance of the cell. Vacuole. Vacuole are present in both plant cell and animal cell. This vacuole is the storage of sacs, liquids and ether liquids and solids. The vacuoles occupy space in plant cells like 50 to 90% of cells. The plant cell vacuole is larger than animal cell vacuole. Thus, animal cell vacuole is smaller than plant cell vacuole. Lysosomes. It is present in both animal cell and plant cell. Thank you.